In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Jira board. If you've ever cleaned up old projects or removed duplicate boards, this walkthrough will show you exactly what to do step by step and help you avoid common mistakes along the way. Start by going to Atlassian.com. From there, click Sign Up. If you already have an account, just sign in as you normally would. You'll need access to the workspace where the board lives, and in many cases, you'll need the right permissions to remove a board. If you don't see the option to delete later on, that usually means you're not an admin on that board or project, so keep that in mind. Once you're in, look for the company managed project or the space where your board is located. Boards live under projects, so think about which project the board was created for. If you manage several projects, take a moment to confirm you're in the right one to avoid deleting the wrong board. If you can't immediately find the specific board, hover your mouse over the name of the company managed project. You'll see a small greater than symbol appear next to it. Click that symbol to expand the project's contents. This opens a drop-down that lists the boards associated with that project, which makes it much easier to pick the right one. In the drop-down, locate the board you want to delete. Hover your mouse over that board's name to reveal additional controls. You'll see a three-dot icon appear, which is the More Options menu. Click the three-dot icon. A side menu will slide out with actions you can take on that board. In the side menu, click Delete Board. Before you proceed, remember that deleting a board removes the board view and its configuration, but it does not delete the issues themselves. Your issues, sprints, and data remain in the project. You're only removing the board as a way of viewing and organizing them. This is helpful to know if you're worried about losing work. After you click Delete Board, a pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. This is your final chance to make sure you've selected the correct board. Double-check the board name and make sure no one on your team still needs it. When you're confident, click Delete to confirm. The board will be removed right away. That's it. You've successfully deleted a Jira board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.